Then I am Siddhartha Sawathi Mundol, and at 8:20 p.m. on 17th November 2021 I am recording this project, and this project is on Professional Practice 3 on the topic A5 electricity in my house. Now this is the front page of my assignments. Now let's begin with assignment 2, or I better say supervisor report 1, from page 4 of presentation. It contains the top portion and bottom portion of the pole along with its specification. Now in next page, page 5, it contains the image of the conductors and the earthing portion of the pole, and its specification is shown. Now here is the insulator of the pole that are connected with it. Now in next page, page 7, here is shown the other components of the pole in which stay set is damaged, which proves that the company which should have provided a GI wire is of bad quality and got rusted as well as corroded and broken. So, and another part is the stay clamp, which is also loosely attached with the pole. Now in page 8, here it is shown the miscellaneous and special observation and supervisor signature. Now let's move on to our next assignment, number 3, supervisor report 2. Now in page 10, here it is so the service pole that is attached with my house. Now in next page, here it is shown the service brackets that are attached with my house. Now this is the image of the conductors. At the first picture, here it is shown the PVC coated copper conductors that are supported with the GI wire, and image B is shown the earthings that are attached with my house. Now on page 13, here it is shown the cycle type insulators that are attached with the service bracket for hanging the wire. Now in next page, page 14, here it is shown the other components of the pole. One is cycle type insulator and another is GI wire, but one is broken. Now in page 15, here it is shown the service meter box, energy meter and main switches. We have two main switches, ICDP mains, and two energy meter, among which one is analog meter which is used for ground floor, and the digital meter on the right side is used for the first floor and second floor of my house. Now in next page, page 16, here it is said to given the distribution box, but sorry for that, I can't find it in my house due to concealed wiring or any other problems. So I found it as a defect, and special and miscellaneous observation are also given, and supervisor signature is also given. Now in next assignment, page 17, here it is given assignment number 4, supervisor report 3. Now our next assignment is, at first it is also said that we need distribution box, as I have already mentioned earlier that I don't have distribution box in my house, or I may not be able to find it, so I can't give its image. Now in the second piece, here the junction box, that one junction box only, I want to say that here is only image of a one junction box in closed view and open view of my room. Now in next image, the switchboards that are present in my room, among which one is operated by KitKat switch and another one is used by MCB, which is used only for my computer purpose. Now in next page, page 20, Here it is shown the schematic diagram layout of the ground floor of my house. And in next page, page 21, it is shown the wiring diagram of my house, in which 6 switch, 6 socket and 1 MCB used in one 6 ampere MCB is used for my computer purpose board, which is switchboard 2, as I have mentioned it in the schematic diagram. And the other part is of containing 5 switch, 1 indicator, 1 KitKat fuse and 2 socket, and with 1 regulator is present in my room. That's all. And here is the special and miscellaneous observation, in which I have mentioned that I can't find the distribution box. And another problem is the wire. All the wires which are present in my house are of all same colors, so I mainly the concealed wires are of same color, so I can't identify which is phase, neutral or earthing. And in comments I have also mentioned it. And the main thing of problem of the conceal wire is, if any fault occurs, then we have to replace the full wiring and nothing else, which would be more costlier for us. And supervisor signature is given. Now that's all for my assignment. Thank you for watching my project with all your kind attention. Thank you. Jai Hind. And the next part that I want to show you is wait. Here are all the images that I have taken but can't attach with my project are here. This is the whole view of the pole. This is the top portion of the pole, in which the insulators are damaged and loosely kept. Here we can see that the stay wire is broken, corroded and completely damaged. We can see it completely here, and as well as we can see that the earthing is also loosely kept. Stay wire is completely broken. It is the top portion of the pole shown from ground view. This is the main switch that are used in ground floor. So that is used in ground floor of my house. This is the step brackets that are used in my house, or I better say connected. These are the two earthings wire, among which the one which is kept in the PVC pipe, inside the PVC pipe, is used in ground floor, and another one which is not kept in PVC pipe, kept open, is used for the top first floor and second floor of my house. These are the 2 meters. The left one is analog meter, which is used for ground floor, and the right one is digital meter, which is used for first floor and second floor. The analog meter is kept in a wooden box, so that if any electrical fault occurs also, I mean want to say leakage, then also we will remain protected due to wood, as we know wood is a good insulator. Here is the junction box that is in my room. This is the open view of the junction box. I have already mentioned that it is difficult for me to understand which one is phase, neutral or earthing. We can only identify it on the basis of the black tape, which are used in as indicating material. The blue one are all of neutral. The red one is for phase, but I can't identify which one is earthing, so it is a big problem for me to understand. These are all the images. These are the switchboards that are used in my room. That's all. Thank you. Jai Hind.